Hi, my name is Yuri Suzuki. I'm a sound artist based in London. My work engages the public using acoustic structures to create connections between people. For decades, I've been developing trumpet-shaped sculptures that invite audience to listen, speak, and play. These sound sculptures I have been exhibited around the world, from Berlin to San Francisco, Shanghai, London, each time creating a unique shared experience. UTOOTO is an interactive installation created for Camden Arts Projects. Inspired the universal language of sound, it transforms the gallery into living acoustic environment. The work is a forest of the colorful horn sculptures, and some capturing voices and sound, others projecting them back, creating a playful ecosystem of listening and response. It's a participatory soundscape shaped by everyone who enters the space, and each visitor becomes part of the installation simply by listening and contributing their voice. UTOOTO invites everyone to participate, to listen, and to imagine new ways to connecting through the sound.